Okay, I'm having problems with this motor scooter, or like help. It is a Yiben or whatever the yeah, I don't know. At the moment I've tried plenty of times. I've ripped the whole motor out, put it back together, still doing the same thing. I've taken it apart, I've checked it, the rings are all good, everything's all good. It's got sparks, got compression, everything. So it's got a new CI, it's got new relay, new spark plug, new filter, new everything, new oil, and when I was changing it leaked out absolutely everywhere. When I go to turn it over, all like it wants to turn but it doesn't. It's like it's seized but it's not seized. But I will show you what it does when I just find it's grounded onto something. Yep. Hooking it up to a bigger battery. It's temperamental, mini one. Okay. Everything's on. Yep, clock's going. Oh, it's making a knocking noise. Not enough power, I'm guessing. Makes that a lot. Makes that ticking noise a lot. That's not good. Missing something there. Oh, that fell off. Come here, you stupid starter. I was trying to put it straight onto the battery before and seeing if I could just give it full power, seeing if it was a starter or anything, but it's not starter. Starter's fine. I took it in out, everything. I put another one in, it does the exact same thing. It's just been temperamental. See, it does that when I hit the, making a weird noise out of there. And it sounds like it wants to turn, but it's not fully turning. See, look, sometimes it'll go, and that's just making a horrible noise. I'll be killing the poor thing. I would kickstart it, but yeah, I took the kickstart out because it was just being an absolute pain in the guts. It was just bending and everything, and I was just like, yeah, so I probably snapped it, so I just took that out. Well, if anyone can comment and help me out, it'll be great, thank you. Yeah, don't even ask about that one.